The voltage V, current I, and the resistance R in the circuit are related by Ohm's law. V equals IR, where the units of V is voltage, amperes is the unit of I, the current, and ohms is the unit of the resistance. Assuming that the voltage is constant with V equal 12, what that means is that we can replace V with 12. Calculate the average rate of change of I. And so to compute the average rate of change of I, we first isolate I. I is 12 over R. The average rate of change of I with respect to R on the interval 8 to 8.1 is simply the slope of the secant line, which is I of 8.1 minus I of 8 over 8.1 minus 8. As you can see, without the limit, this is the average rate of change. We just simply plugged 8.1 into 12 over R to get 12 over 8.1 minus 12 over 8, and the denominator is 0.1. Compute this using a calculator. We will see that this is negative 0.0185. The unit for this number is the unit of I, which is ampere, over the unit of R, which is ohms. Next, find the rate of change of I with respect to R. So this time it is not the average rate of change, but the instantaneous rate of change. So it is the derivative of I with respect to R when R equals 8. And so we would need to find the derivative of I. The derivative of I with respect to R is negative 12 R to the negative 2, because we can write 12 over R at 12 times R to the negative 1 power. So using the power rule, we get 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. Lower the power by 1. Simplifying this, we get negative 12 over R squared. And then we evaluate this derivative when R equals 8. Plug 8 into R into the derivative to get negative 12 over 8 squared. This is negative 0.1875, and the unit is still amperes over ohms. Next, we're asked to find the rate of change of R with respect to I. And so this time, we would need to find R, dr over di, and to do that we would need to find the equation for R. Now 12 equals IR, so R is 12 over I, and so dr with respect to I is still negative 12 I to the negative 2, or negative 12 over I squared. We can rewrite 12 over I as 12 times I to the negative 1 and use the power rule. We're asked to evaluate this when I is 1.5. And so plugging I equals 1.5 into dr di, we get negative 12 over 1.5 squared, and this is negative 5.33. Now this time, the unit in the numerator is the unit of the resistance, which is ohms, and the unit in the denominator is the unit of I, which is amperes.